You see it?
That's mine.
What? I got it.
Say, I spy.
I tried.
With my
That's mine.
There you go.
Thanks.
sister's trying to find some eggs.
Are you finding any eggs, sister?
I'm gonna help sister find some eggs.
I got it. I got one.
Sister's trying to find one. Look like she can find one. That was too big. I don't think you can.
Hey, that was gonna get that one.
No, I wanted.
That's right. You can take it out.
Sister found one.
Easter bunny had a lot of eggs.
I guess.
Okay, take it with you.
Got it? You can need two hands. You need two hands.
I think that's it.
Oh,
It's a good thing that one wasn't a real one.
Flash.
Where would the bunny hide some eggs?
Where would a bunny put those eggs? In people's chairs? Or not? In sister's chair? No.
Only in my chair.
There's sister. There is one in sister's chair.
I have to look for some more.
Okay, look around. Could be anywhere. Is there any more up there?
Whoa.
No.
That was a big climb, wasn't it?
I kind of big one. Who's open it, Daddy?
Oh, you need some help? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh. Oh, really? Okay. Let me see your face. It's a marshmallow inside.
I forgot to break out my annual cartoon. The chocolate bunny's the one that has his ears bit off and the one that has his butt.
Yeah.
That's so funny. Ears bit off and the one that has his butt.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Better got one too. I want one.